Hello, good afternoon. My name is Miss Bello, your mathematics teacher, and our topic for this week is algebraic expression. And under the what I expect from you is to know this how to simplify algebraic expression with integers coefficient, and also to simplify algebraic expression with rational coefficients. Now, we have like and unlike terms. Like terms simply means terms that have exactly the same combinations of variable. Like we can see on the example here, we have 8x and minus 11x. 8x and minus 11x, they are the same because they are having the same variable, which is called the letter. Then the second example, we're having 2 over 7k cube m raised to the power of 5 and 4k cube m raised to the power of 5. Then the third one, we are having minus 3cv cube and minus 7cv cube. You can see the power we have on the letter, they are the same. Now we have unlike times. Unlike times simply means terms that have different variable or have the same variable but have different exponential. You understand? Like this one, we have 10r and 10s. R and s, they are not the same, so they are unlike terms. Example 2, we have 2 over 7 t square m5 and 3t cube m. You can see the t here on the first one is having square and on the second one is having cube. The m on the first one is having 5, on the second one is having the power of 1. So they are not the same, they are unlike terms. Then the last one, we have g raised to the power of 5, h raised to the power of 3, and h raised to the power of 4. You can see the two, they are not the same. There is g here, there is no g here. There is h raised to the power of 3 here, there is h raised to the power of 4 here. Then we move to the simplifying expression with integers coefficient. We have simplified 5x plus 4y minus 2x. Now 5x and 2x, they are like times. The only unlike times that we have there is 4y. So we're going to bring 5x with 2y with the sign that is at the back. That means 5x minus 2x plus 5y. That's just like collecting like times. Now 5x minus 2y, that will give us 3x plus 4. Then we write it as it is here. Example, then we move on to simplifying expression with rational coefficients. We have simplify is 0.5d plus 1.4e minus 1.2e plus 0.6d. Now, what you will check here too is what you will notice here is that 0.5d and 0.6d, they are like time. Likewise, 1.4 and 1.2, they are like times because they are both having e. So you connect like times, you bring the one having d together, you bring the one having e together, you now add it together, which is 0.5d plus 0.6, that will give us 1.1 plus 1.4 minus 1.2e, that will give us 0.2e. That means our final answer is going to be equals to 1.1d plus 0.2e. Now, simplifying expression with rational coefficient. How can you combine like times with coefficient that has different denominator? It has different denominator. You know denominator, the one below in a fraction. Now, let's take for example, we are asked to simplify 2 over 3x minus 3 minus 1 over 4x. You can see the only like times we have here is 2 over 3 and 1 over 4, right? Thank you very much. So what we are going to do is bring it together. You look for the LCM of the like times. That is 2 over 3x and minus 1 over 4x. We have 2 over 3 minus 1 over 4 in brackets with their else. What's the LCM of 3 and 4? Correct. 12. So we have 12. So how many 3 can we get in 12? That's 4. 4 times 2 of the denominator, that's 8. 8x minus how many 4 can we get in 12? 3. 3 times 1, 3. That means we have 8 minus 3 in divided by 12 with x. That's x minus 3, that's 5. 5 over 12x with our class. Oh yeah, let's play a little game. You can see what you have on the screen. What is the password for each of these questions you have on the screen? One, two, three. That is, the password simply means which one is the right answer out of MATH. Which one is the answer? Question number one, can you work it? Yes, and our answer is what? T, which is minus 2x plus 3y plus 5. Clap for yourself. That's very good. Now, question 2. What will be the answer to question 2? Question 2 is minus 3x plus 3y, which is what? Option N. That means we will have M on 2. Now, question 3. Question 3 is 1 over 6x plus 3 over 5y, which is option what? Option A. Very good. Now let's move on to. So let's do a brief recap. Let's check your knowledge about simplifying algebraic expression. Now, can you answer this question? What are like and unlike times? That's question number one. Question number two, how do you combine like times with different denominator? That is, like times, they are like times, they have the same variable, but they have different denomination. Then question three, what are the steps in simplifying algebraic expression with rational coefficients? You get that? Now, do that. Now, answer to the recap. Question number one, which is what are like and unlike times? Like times have the same combinations of variable, right? Whereby unlike times have different variable or have the same variable but different exponential, right? Question two, how do you combine like times with different denominator? We use the LCM. Then we use the LCM to either add or subtract the rational coefficient. Then we find our answer. Then the third question is, what are the steps in simplifying algebraic expression with rational coefficient? The first one is you identify like time, regroup them, combine like times, using addition or subtraction, then you write the unlike time as it is. This is a topic to challenge yourself with. Do it and give me your answer in the next class. Then you have your assignments. Make sure you do that too and you submit in the next class. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye.